Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the first update for the Graveyard Project Pan. I created this project as a way to use products that were in previous projects that you didn't meet your goal on. There are two categories. One is your project graveyard, which means just that, and the second category, to make it more inclusive for anyone who wants to join, even new panners, we have the collecting cobwebs category, which are products that are neglected in your collection or nearing their expiration. We update this project every other month, and it does end on Halloween or October 31st. It's not too late to join in. If you would really like to, I will have all the information listed in my description box for you if you're interested. I hope today's video is a quick update because unfortunately I don't have any goals met. I chose some pretty challenging products in my intro, but hopefully I can roll things out next time. I was tempted to roll something new in anyways, but because I'm doing that in my deck of panning project, I have so many products on the go, I just decided that probably wasn't the best idea. So let's just hop right in. I'm going to start off with my non-makeup items. First, I have my Jergans Natural Glow Tanning Lotion. This is in my Project Graveyard category. 5 of my 6 products are in that category and only 1 is collecting cobwebs. I started the project here. These lines were from the previous project that this tanner was in, so I marked 21 for this year on the side of the product. I started at the top of like this purple line, and now I'm almost to the bottom of it. I feel like I should have made more progress than that because I used this all over my body multiple times. But the package is squeezing in even lower than this line. But when I shone a flashlight through there, the line is where I could see product. So I feel like I don't have that much further to go on this. It'll be really good to get yet another non-cruelty free item out of my collection. Next I have the Bumble Surf Spray. I never remember to use hair care products. I've had this for so long, like probably 5 years or more, I have no idea. I started the project at this white nail polish line and now I'm at the pink line. I feel like if I was more diligent in using this more often, I could finish it before the next update. I just rarely remember to use it. It is in my hair right now. I just feel like maybe my hair is too long to benefit from something like this. I put this in, I scrunched it up. It still doesn't really hold my waves much. I did have my hair braided for most of the day, and my hair is just so long, heavy, and frizzy with all of this humidity and this heat wave that we're experiencing. I should just suck it up, use it. I've also used this in Wyatt's hair a couple of times. He has very curly hair and I feel like this helps keep them looking nice for longer. I need to set this out in front of me. We could potentially have a very exciting update for next time. The one collecting cobwebs item I put in my project is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I've made really good progress on this product. I went from here just below half the concealer down to here. If I use the same amount of product again, this should be empty. I did use this concealer 26 times over the last 2 months since the intro, which is a lot for me because I still have been using a couple other concealers in my collection, though this is the only one I'm panning, so I have been focusing on this one a lot. I do my makeup roughly half the days in a month based on my tracking, and so 26 uses over 2 months is pretty good for that. Back into my project graveyard items, starting with the L'Oreal True Match powder. My goal is to finish this off. I do not have that much product left. This has already been repressed. It's in there very thinly. I have pan all on this edge and all through the middle. This is a great touch-up powder for me. I am panning 4 powders currently, so my attention has been split. I've only used this 12 times since the intro, which is not a lot for 2 months. If I focus on this, I think it could also be very close to being done. I really love this powder, and if you have a cruelty-free alternative for me, I would love to hear it. It adds coverage but is really natural looking. Like, it has a bit of a like natural glow to it. It's not super matte. It's very creamy. I love this powder a lot and will be sad to see it go. But this was originally in my 18 and 2018 project as my oldest powder then. So it's old, it's time. 2 cheek products I am hoping to hit pan on. The first is my Model Co blush in the shade Peach Bellini, the stupid blush that's been around forever. This also is in my 18 and 2018 project pan and many other projects. This is the 3rd year in a row that I've put this in the Graveyard project pan, as well as others. My goal is just to hit pan on it. I feel like I am so close. I have this on as eyeshadow today. The dip over here in this corner is unreal. I don't understand. This is the Never Ending blush. I've used it 12 times since the last update. And I would estimate I've used this blush over 100 times in its lifetime. And like from here, it looks pretty much brand new. Up close, it definitely has a slope and there is a dip on the corner. So hopefully next time. That would be such an accomplishment for me. I've never hit pan in a blush, and because I've been working on this for so long, I would feel so proud if I could finally hit pan on this product. And lastly, Becca Champagne Pop. My goal is also to hit pan on this. I've only used it 11 times since the intro. Again, my attention is split across a lot of items. I was tracking this in my 20 and 2020 project pan where I had used it over 40 times, so I'm over 50 uses now. I do have a dip in there, but I really don't think I'm that close to pan. I'd be very surprised, honestly, if I hit pan within this project. I'm very light-handed with my makeup, which does me a disservice being in this panning community, but I just love it so much it doesn't matter to me. I'll just keep working away on this. I do have this as my highlighter today. It's beautiful. It's like a peachy champagne highlight. We all know and love this, I feel like. No pan yet. So that was the updates for my Graveyard Project pan items. In terms of goals for next time, I really hope that these 3 products could be completely empty for the next update. That would be absolutely amazing. I think I would be close, but not quite. I hope I can really have this finished before the finale though. And pan on this blush. We could potentially, I'm not making any promises, potentially have a very exciting update next time where I'm rolling in all kinds of things. I have 2 months to work on it, but that also leaves only 2 months left before the finale, so I would have to be very strategic in what I'm choosing unless I just want to get further usage on them. But I'm getting ahead of myself. That is everything. Thank you guys so much for everyone who has joined and has made this project so much fun over the last 3 years. I appreciate every single one of you. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!